Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to just chill with you, like have like a, I don't know, day in the life, I guess. So this morning we actually went grocery shopping, so it's a little different from what I usually do every day. So I did clean my kitchen. I usually like to clean my kitchen, make sure that it's nice and clean. So when I have groceries, I don't have to worry about anything. So I put all of that away. Right now I'm just going to make this bed because it looks crazy. As soon as I get up, I actually like to make my bed, but like I said, we went grocery shopping, so I wanted to get there early. So yeah, so we're gonna make the bed, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out for the day, chill around, you know. So let's get this bed made. All right, so the bed is all made. So I actually have to fix this curtain because it fell. So we actually have to like unscrew the top of it because you see how like it's like so wobbly, so that's why it fell. This one is too, so we're gonna have to fix that. But before we do that, I am going to eat a little bit, and then I've actually been doing yoga with my friend Suzanne. I'm doing the 30 days with Adrian, so I'm on day 9. So I'm actually gonna do that too. I'll show you guys so you guys can see I'm not like an expert. I literally just started yoga like maybe a couple weeks ago. So yeah, I've been really enjoying that, and I'll show you guys the fridge, like what I got. So we went kind of ham. I go through bananas pretty quick, so I got like I think 5 of them, and then we got some pineapples here, avocados, oranges. Then we have some lemons. I've been drinking a lot of lemon water. Another banana back here, and then my fridge. So I got a lot of veggies. I got Brussels sprouts. I know this is in plastic, don't at me. Trying, it's just hard when you're in the pandemic, you know. And then I got asparagus, broccoli, cauliflowers back there. Got some grapes, kiwi, you know, all that good stuff. This coconut right here is so freaking bomb, and it's pink. It's like legit coconut water. Some people don't like it, but I love this one. And then I had some kombucha. I love this kombucha, it's really good. Yeah, strawberries, blueberries, all that good stuff. So yeah, we just stocked the fridge to make sure we don't have to go back to the grocery store anytime soon. But I've been trying to like cook, so I really like, that's gonna encourage me to cook. I'm not trying to let all those vegetables go bad. And then we have our little calendar right here, and then I put what's in the fridge so we don't forget, so we actually use it because our fridge is so small so you can't see everything. So yeah, I'm about to just make some lunch. I will show you guys what I use, but I'm about to use this kale. I don't know why these strawberries are out. I actually might make like a little fruit salad or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna make that really quick. So let's get started.
If it's love that you need, you can't take it from me, 'cause I'm the one who's giving it up. And I know it's been hard, but you've made it this far. No, I'm the one who's giving it up.
I'm just going to eat this and chill for about like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna do the day 9 of yoga with Adrian. I actually really like it, like I said, so definitely check her out. Her name is Yoga with Adrian, and then she has like 30 days where you do 1 day of yoga each, and she goes pretty slow, so if you literally are a beginner, she's good. She can teach you everything. So I'm gonna devour this because I'm starving, and then I'll be back with my yoga session. All right, so a change of plans. As you can see, I changed. So we are actually gonna go hiking now because I think it's like almost 2 o'clock, so we don't wanna go too late. So I'm gonna show you guys what I packed, because yesterday when we went, I'm glad I actually packed this because I was starving and thirsty. So I just packed some water. So I have some regular water here that we're gonna keep in the car, keep it cold. Then I have this right here. So this has like greens in it, so I can make sure I have enough greens. So I'll show you what it looks like, but I really like this. It helps, you know, just in case I didn't get my greens for the day. And then I have some peanuts. So I brought these peanuts yesterday, and thank God, because I was starving. So that held me over until I got some food. And yeah, that's all I'm bringing. I'm bringing some extra camera stuff. So yeah, I'm like out of breath as always. And then I have my little fanny pack on so I can carry whatever I need. Yeah, and this is my cute little outfit. So we're gonna go hiking. I'm not sure where we're going, but I'm excited because you just connect with nature and it's just like an amazing feeling, you know? So I will see you guys there. Oh, I just told you I was gonna show you this. Sorry, I forgot. So this is what I use, and I actually use the same protein powder. So I love this thing. So it has 50 organic superfoods with 1 billion probiotics, and I actually take probiotics as well. So love that. And I actually do have to take all of my vitamins before we go. So let me just do that, and then we're gonna go. So we made it to the park. So I'm gonna show you guys the views. It's so pretty. So if you live in like Central Jersey area, this is North Brunswick, Davidson Mills. I'm excited because this one is really pretty. We went to a different location than yesterday. This pond is pretty. What? All right, I'm gonna have you scope the scene, and then you let me know.
Yeah, you got a leaf. You ready for this?
Oh my God.
Right here. Oh, a frog.
Where?
Right here. Just right here.
Where's the frog?
I just seen him leap when I jumped.
Oh.
I have to get you over.
What a jerk. Wow. Are you serious?
There was a frog.
He said there was a frog. Are we going the right way? This ain't no trails.
Look how green that is.
So we're gonna go on the yellow trail. So it's gonna be a little muddy, which is fine, I guess.
But it did rain.
Yeah.
Oh, tiptoeing you, Jordan.
Tiptoeing in my Jordan.
Parkour.
Do it.
Parkour?
Yeah. Travis is gonna parkour.
I forgot about my bad knee. Alright, cancel that.
I'm putting that on there. That was fucking great. That was great. He does have a bad knee, but
I forgot.
that was like the Office episode. 100%. Parkour.
Parkour! The 2x Forest. Pretty good, right?
I can't.
Stuff, yeah.
I can't with his dad jokes. You're hilarious. What is that noise? What is that noise?
It's the deer call.
All right, so we're back in the car. We did a nice little walk. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It was actually really peaceful. There wasn't a lot of people there. So now we're gonna go home, do the cabinets like I told you guys. I'm gonna have like a whole video dedicated to that, so I'm not gonna really show you guys that. But I'll come back and I'll show you guys what I do with the house, because I do want to update you on some things that I did. So yeah, I will see you back at the house. All right, so me and Travis just ate dinner. It was so good. He made burgers and I had it with spinach, and he made asparagus with sweet peppers. It was so freaking good. And we actually sat outside, which was really nice because we have our cute little backyard. So it was nice just to take the day in. But now Travis is being a grump. I want to go sit outside, but he wants to stay in and be boring and lay down.
We want to relax.
I don't want to relax. I want to sit outside and relax and enjoy the nice weather.
Sundays are for relaxing.
Outside in the nice weather.
Well,
He's just a noob, you know.
come inside sometime.
He hasn't been hiking in forever. He's a noob. So 2 days of hiking, I guess, got to him.
Yes.
So I don't know if I'm going to end it here. We do still have to fix the curtain thing. I told them that I was going to fix it. So we'll fix that. Oh, I want to show you guys my little updates in my house, since I haven't done that yet. So you guys, I don't know the last time you guys seen my bedroom, but it's completely different now, like the colors. So ignore the missing curtain. We already know. But yeah, I changed the curtains. I added this little decor right here. This is actually flowers that Travis got me. I just dried them out, put like a paper behind it, and then hung it up in a frame. I painted these two myself. I'm so happy. They look so freaking good. I'm still working on painting, but I just used painter's tape to like make the edges really sharp. So yeah. And then we have, don't mind the clothes and stuff, whatever. And then we have a new bedspread. I just wanted it to be a little bit brighter in here because I felt like it was a little too dark with the gray. So once quarantine is over, I might be painting in here. We'll see. And I'm going to hang up my mirror. We just ordered hooks for that. So yeah, that is the bedroom. And then this is a little update of the bathroom. So I changed the shower curtain to white, and then we have a black rod up there. I think it looks so nice. And then I got this little plant. This is fake. I got it from Amazon just to hang here. It looks really cute. I took all the vines down because I was OD. It was like way too much. So this was the old tissue holder. So I have all the new stuff in here. So I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. It's a nice matte black. I freaking love it. So I'm just gonna spackle this and paint it so it doesn't look like this anymore. We painted these black just so everything matches. And we're gonna get a new faucet because this is old and disgusting. And we did replace one in the kitchen, which I freaking love. So we're gonna do the same one in black because I'm not about this. And then we took the two, I forgot what was here. It was like two little silver like things like to hold your soap and your toothbrushes, but we took that off. So I also have to spackle here too. So I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I'm pretty tired, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little update. And then I got something for this too. It's also black and it's smaller, so it's not as big as this. So I think I am going to end it here for today, just because I'm really tired from the walk yesterday and the walk today, which was really fun. It was really nice to get out in nature. But yeah, your girl is tired and I really just want to relax. I did want to make a dessert, but I think I'm gonna make that in another video. I'm gonna show you guys what I wanna make. It's just like a healthy dessert that I found on Pinterest. But this one is muffins. So let me show you, hold on. So I really want to make this. It's mini banana oat muffins, and I have all these ingredients. I just don't have the vanilla extract, which is fine. I can just like use sugar or something. But look how nice they look. So I want to try that, and then I want to try making protein balls with like oats and peanut butter and stuff, because I do have a sweet tooth and I don't want to just eliminate sugar from my diet. I just want to eat healthier, you know what I'm saying? So if I eat like a dessert, I won't have that sweet tooth craving. I'm actually out of my protein powder. I should be getting it this week, but me being out of that protein powder has really been bad because I've been snacking and just like overeating. So usually when I have the protein powder, I'll make like a banana chocolate strawberry smoothie or something like that, and it usually holds me over. So yeah. And if you guys want to see like what I eat in a day, since I'm eating a lot more healthy, just let me know. I mean, you kind of saw it today, but if you want to see like breakfast and all that stuff, just let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you like hanging out with me and just seeing like more personal vlogs like this, just let me know. Give me a thumbs up so I can keep creating them. And comment down below what you guys are doing to survive quarantine, because I know being stuck in your house is a little crazy right now. So that's why we try to get out, even if it's like gloomy out. Like I just try to take a walk or, you know, do some exercise to get those endorphins up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of my mermaid squad. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.